Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn 10 Korean words. So, without wasting any time, let's start. Here comes the first word and that is the Korean word for souvenir and it is 기념품. 기념품. Next is the Korean word for religion and it is 종교. 종교. Next, let's see how you are going to say pimple in Korean. Now there are two words for pimple. One is 여드름, 여드름, and the another one is 벼루지, 벼루지. All right, next comes the Korean word for wrinkles, and that is 주름, 주름. Now let's see the Korean word for divorce and that is 이혼, 이혼. You might know this but still I'm going to tell you. The Korean word for marriage is 결혼 and the Korean word for divorce is 이혼. Okay, so the difference lies in the first syllable. 결혼 for marriage and 이혼 for divorce. Okay. Now let's see the Korean word for race and that is 경주, 경주. Here we are talking about all kinds of races, whether it's a car race or a motorbike race. So that general term for race is 경주. Okay. Next comes the Korean word for horse race and that is 경마, 경마. Okay. Remember, 경주 is the Korean word for race and for horse race it's 경마. Next comes the Korean word for charger and that is 충전기, 충전기. Now let's see the word for hiccup in Korean and it is 달국질, 달국질. And the last one is the Korean word for nail and that is both. Both. Just one syllable word. Okay. So today we learned 10 Korean words. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.